Have you ever noticed that when you upload an image on Facebook or Instagram, the colors in an uploaded image looks muted and appears vastly different than the original? This is because you did not convert an important color parameter before uploading. This is in addition to the correct resizing of image and setting a proper resolution. The correct resizing for Facebook upload is 2048 pixels on a wider side at a resolution of 72 dots per inches or pixels per inches. Once you have set your resolution and resized the image, now it is time to pay attention to the important color parameter, and that is color space. In this video, you will learn what is color space and how it affects the appearance of an image. Inside the camera menu, you will find an option to set the color space. Either you can set it to Adobe RGB or you can set it to sRGB. Generally, it is advocated that you set it to Adobe RGB since it has got a wider color gamut, or in other words, it has a more color information. But then why you need a color space sRGB when we know that it has got a lesser color information? This is because not all screens or not all programs, say for example Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram, they do not support the wider color gamut of Adobe RGB. Let me demonstrate you what exactly happens to the color with different color space. I have this image of a lion with Adobe RGB color space. Let us copy and paste it so that now we have a duplicate. Then select both the images and open it in Photoshop. In order to visualize both images in one screen, I go to the window, arrange, and then select 2 up vertical. Now let us change the color space of the image on left side to sRGB. For that, I go to Edit, Assign Profile, and here, instead of Adobe RGB, I click on Working RGB, that is sRGB. Now just pay attention. When I click, what happens? Suddenly the color has become muted and the overall image has become desaturated. And this is exactly what happens to your image when you upload on Facebook or Instagram and they are not uploaded with appropriate color space. So to upload image on social media or on-screen viewing, you need to convert images to sRGB. For demonstration on how to convert to sRGB without losing color detail, let me first cancel this so that it retains original Adobe RGB color space. Then I go to Edit, Convert to Profile, and here in the destination space, embed the option sRGB. This way, the conversion will not affect the color and image is ready to be uploaded to the social media. Nonetheless, if you wish to print or submit images for print media or compete in an international photo competition where images will be viewed on an Adobe RGB calibrated monitor, then in that case, keep the color space Adobe RGB.